A few moments later.
A magnitude 4.5 earthquake has been recorded near Manila Bay, Philippines. Authorities have recorded a 0 casualty and injury.
Have you ever experienced an unexpected ground shaking activity? If yes, how did you manage yourself in that certain occurrence? Remember that the best time to prepare for any disaster is before it happens. Here are the helpful tips you should do before, during, and after an earthquake. What to do before an earthquake? Know the hazards in your area. Familiarize yourself with the following: fire extinguisher, medical kit, exit routes, and evacuation plan. Second, check your house and have it repaired if necessary. Third, store harmful chemicals and flammable materials properly. Fourth, secure heavy furniture and hanging objects. Fifth, prepare your family go bag containing items needed for survival. And last is to participate in school and community earthquake drills. What to do during an earthquake? When inside a building, stay calm and do the following: duck, cover, and hold. Duck under a strong table and hold on to it. And stay alert for potential cracks. Second, stay away from glass windows, shelves, and heavy objects. After the shaking stops, exit the building. Go to the designated evacuation area. When you are outside, move to an open area. Stay away from buildings, trees, electric posts, and landslide-prone area. If you're in a moving vehicle, stop and exit the vehicle.
And live here at the House of Peace, my name is Sir Joshua, and I will be presenting to you the tips on what to do after the earthquake. Stay alert for aftershocks. Assess yourself and others for injuries. Provide first aid if necessary. Prioritize the needs of older persons, pregnant women, PWDs, and children. Remember, they are the members of the most vulnerable sector. If you are living in a coastal area and there is a threat of tsunami, evacuate to the higher ground immediately. Check for spills of toxic and chemical substances. Stay out of the building until advised to return. Check for damages in water and electrical lines, gas and LPG leaks. No one can say when an earthquake will strike, but what is certain in a strong earthquake is its widespread danger. May these tips help you in surviving the possible occurrence of an earthquake. My name is Joshua.
And I am Homeland May, and this is the Collegian Flash Report, giving you the latest news with integrity and excellence.